Yeah, man, you know some more why people blame other people for certain things that happen in them life though, but sometimes I yourself for blame though. Why you like Queenie and Dewey you know with them relationship now. Them bring too much thing to social media, you see it. But right now what happened between the little text where she get and them thing there, she need have to come out and show it and them thing there. And when she show it, she start blame people. For she bring it out to the public and make the public see it now you don't know. In a them time I have social media, everybody I go share it and put it for them way, you see it. But you go come out and share something about the relationship and you know talk it straight and them thing there, you see it. So people are going to put it for them way. So blame yourself. So what go on, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the channel, you see me. Yeah man, and Queen Dia explain something where people are say she do them thing you have to get views and things, you see it. But what do you think? A view she do it for? Go forward now if you don't hear what she say.
93% of who in on social media don't know me, never meet me. And it's because I like to post and like to video why you don't know me and follow me in it. So now me get my husband and me married to my husband. And I'm a matter of fact, big up all of my true royal crazy them. Because when me a cuss and I say, oh no, it not go for my royal crazy them. Me there watch my message them and I read my message them. I see somebody send a peer victim and me I look views. First to begin with, I like to fly. Instagram views can buy plane tickets, so you don't make no sense. You're full of nonsense. Your foot need to jump this friends because you don't have no common sense. So me a teach you common sense as a 5 senses we have, and common sense is common it out. Back to the reason. More ask nothing. All on a new moon. All new undercover moon. Because you have some silent people there on my page. I threw my page black why I can't go live. Let me tell you, because I would have sauce on the sofa phone. See, like how I sauce, man. But back to this now. I don't know me for all these years as a woman will rain. I wake every man, not every man, whenever I wake. As a mom, as a queen, as a woman, we serve a lot of ladies. I go in my day, I sing, I counsel, I preach, I do ads, I do so much things a morning time out of my natural energy. But I appreciate what God give me. But then you go back up one day, somebody I got to tell you, say, your husband tired of you, your husband this, your husband that in a pain and mind, your husband about it, sometimes you laugh and next time you attack him. Now me get this long paragraph now, and I say, Dewey, you know you must entertain all some girl why every minute them in my caca clot. So this I get behind the joke now. Me not feeling so people just tear me down and say things about me. Me I go post up with them saying now, him ignore me. Me tell him again him ignore me. Then him say post it. No, me is a dangerous woman now. Don't dare me. Because this is what me used to laugh about. So you tell me post it. And why somebody not get up one day and tell Dewey say, Queenie no want you. Queenie tired of you. You're too young for Queenie. Just me you no depend. So wait them me. Oops! Oops, Davy. What does hell not tell me say about my life? But telling her this again over again. You're dangerous, me dangerous. You awful, me awful. You loud, me loud. You crazy, me crazy. Anything wanna bring to me. Me. All purpose, Queenie rain. And at this me gonna know me. So no come with a back and belly rat something like on expect say, true me post something them. On for rejoice and glad and put it all different kind of way out and gonna make her feel good. I wanna look views. I never see my post on YouTube. And my wedding alone I put on my YouTube. My wedding will mean something to me. All of them blogging and happiness with me and my husband wanna take and fix, mix, licks. Whenever see my post I put on YouTube forget views so come now me turn victim. Me no wanna can't buy plane ticket give me. Me like for fly. Me like nice life. Me a top girl, me a celebrity. Me like high-end maintenance. Views that help me out. What check me DM now me have over 6,000 messages. And me know ads and promotion in it. But me no run down nothing cause what is mine is mine. Yeah, me. Me, Mistress Scarlett, who I want to take the ring from her, and I can't get cannot even do it. But telling us not even, Uno can't left me and Dewey can't left me. Cause me a life. Me, Johnny Sinister, S with Scarlett. All when the head picky and peanut drunker and the drunker draw breaks tonight and the dryad Adatha. I'm alive. Yeah.